Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I have two statements. I will start with the statement on the state of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga grounds and the Victoria Park and the establishment of other parks in Kisumu County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Order 53.1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Labour and Social Welfare regarding the state of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga grounds and Victoria Park, which were closed for renovation in 2020 and reopened in 2024 with slight modifications, as well as the establishment of other public parks in Kisumu County. Target 7, Sustainable Development Goals, SDG number 11, to which Kisumu County fully subscribes, requires that the county should provide universal access to safe, inclusive, accessible and green public spaces for all residents by the year 2030. In a statement, the committee should, Mr. Speaker, 1, provide a breakdown of the funds allocated for the renovation of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Sports Ground and Victoria Park in Kisumu County, a list of companies contracted to undertake the works, and table documentary evidence indicating whether the right channels of procurement were followed in awarding the contracts. 2, find the variance between the architectural designs and the completed projects, if any, stating any cost implications. 3, establish whether there are plans to allow traders to operate their businesses in the parks and the criteria to be used in allocating space to the said traders. And lastly, state any plans with the county government to develop similar parks and recreation spaces in Muhoroni, Nyakach, Nyando, Kisumu East, Kisumu West, and semi-sub-counties in Kisumu County, indicating the budgetary allocations and completion timelines for such projects. Mr. Speaker, sir, my second statement is on the state of early childhood development education, ECD, in Kisumu County. I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53.1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Education regarding the state of early childhood development, or ECD, centers in Kisumu County. Article 186 of the Kenya Constitution 2010, as read together with Section 9 of Part 2 of the 4th Schedule, devolves pre-primary education and child care facilities to the county government. Additionally, Section 5 of the County Government Act 2012 provides for the functions and powers of county governments, including the establishment, management, and regulation of ECD centers. In the statement, Mr. Speaker, the committee should, 1, provide an overview of the current status of all early childhood ECD facilities in Kisumu County, indicating rationale for building new ECD centers instead of completing the existing ones. 2, provide details of all teachers employed in each of the ECD centers in the county, stating their qualifications and remuneration, including any other benefits paid to them. 3, state steps the county government has taken to improve the quality of learning and training programs provided in ECD centers in the county. And lastly, establish the criteria used to determine whether which ECD projects are prioritized for completion and state measures in place to address the challenges faced in the construction of ECD centers. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Minda Kibwana.